are the best side hustles for women. 1. Resell on Amazon. Reselling on marketplaces like Amazon is also one of the best side hustles for women looking to make extra cash. You can sell items ranging from electronics and used books to any product customers may need. If you have a savvy eye in selecting what to resell, becoming a seller on Amazon is for you. With Amazon's system already in place, you don't have to build your audience. So you can focus on picking the right products, taking good photos, and making sure you have clear descriptions and keywords in your listing. 2. Personal shopper. Many women love shopping and offering others advice on what they should buy, so becoming a personal shopper is one of those side hustles to consider. Personal shoppers provide their services to busy professionals who don't have the time or energy to shop for themselves, but still want to look good. As a freelance personal shopper, you'll work with clients over email, phone, or video chat, visit stores, help clients choose the clothes that are best for them, and perhaps even deliver purchases directly to their home. You can do this by posting your services on Craigslist, or by using third-party apps like Postmates and Instacart, which offer flexible hours and competitive rates, plus you'll earn tips. This is the perfect side hustle for women who know their local grocery store off-ed. The more orders you're able to fulfill, the more you'll earn. 3. Driving for Uber or Lyft. Driving for Uber is a good side hustle. I've met a lot of fantastic people who drive for Uber because it's a way for them to monetize their commute. According to the US Census, the average commute time is 26 minutes. That's nearly an hour each day. If you can turn that hour into cash while meandering your way home, that's a very good way to do it. You just roll the dice and hope your next Uber ride doesn't take you farther away from home. Driving for Uber is not a great side hustle because it's not scalable. You have to drive every dollar you earn, and when you only have 24 hours in a day, there's an upper limit to what you can earn. It's great for earning some side cash to monetize a commute or some downtime, but it doesn't scale. It also doesn't strengthen too many career skills. It's not a complete loss in the skill building department. You'll improve your ability to make small talk, a nice social lubricant, as well as your driving and navigational skills, but it's likely not going to be a game changer on either front. 4. Blogging. What's fascinating about blogging is that there are many layers to it. On the face of it, blogging seems to be about writing. You have to come up with ideas, you have to formulate those ideas into an entertaining and engaging post, and then you need to format it in a readable way that pulls people in. It's a constantly evolving process. But then you realize that to get people to your site, you need to network with other bloggers in your niche, get involved in social media, learn a little about search engine optimization, integrate an email newsletter so you can reach those folks who discovered your site and want to learn more. The list keeps on going. It seems simple and straightforward until you dig into it. What makes it great is what you learn. If your blog fails, you will become a better writer, a better organizer of ideas, grown your network, improved your understanding of social media and other online technologies, among other things. These are all skills you can use anywhere, and it's a valuable byproduct of your time and energy. You could even take these skills and start freelancing for other bloggers. For example, you could become a freelance writer, social media manager, or SEO consultant. If your blog succeeds, it is scalable. Your blog will earn money while you sleep because it's a storefront that never closes. You can use that stream of income to build up your investments, and maybe you can sell it one day for a nice balloon payment that changes your financial trajectory. In either case, you are better off. 5. YouTube channel host. Google, which owns YouTube, pays channel owners to host their ads on their videos, meaning if you generate a lot of YouTube views, you can earn a lot of money with their revenue sharing program. YouTube is an exciting platform because it's both a search engine and a viral engine, giving you two ways to get discovered. You may not even need to be on camera yourself. Just like me, you never see my face, but you consume my content. 6. Customer interviews. Many companies use customer interviews to get feedback on new products. User interviews and Responded.io are a pair of cool services that facilitate those interviews that take place online and over the phone. The average pay rate is $50 to $150 an hour. 7. Flipping items for profit on eBay. The long-running marketplace can be a tough, low-margin, competitive environment, but that's not to say there aren't any opportunities left to make money on eBay. My favorite eBay seller is Rob, the flea market flipper, who built a six-figure business buying low and selling high. He and his wife Melissa consistently earn thousands of dollars a month, flipping items part-time. 8. Virtual assistant service. Virtual assistants provide administrative support to clients from their home office and generally charge $15 to $40 an hour. If that sounds like a fun side hustle, you can set up shop on your own or jump on board with an established VA company. A virtual assistant's duties can vary depending on who they're working for, but typically, they help manage some of the administrative tasks for a business owner. For example, a virtual assistant might manage email accounts, perform research, schedule meetings, upload content, and more. Nearly all business owners could use some help with administrative tasks, so this side hustle isn't going out of style anytime soon. And as some entrepreneurs may need help just a few hours a week, you can decide just how much time you want to dedicate to this gig. You only need a computer, internet connection, and a phone. You can get started on Upwork. You can also cold pitch business owners, bloggers, and other online entrepreneurs to let them know about your services. Creating your own Wix or Weebly website can also help advertise your services too. 9. Social media marketer. Let's be honest, you are probably spending a good chunk of your day on social media already. Why not get paid to post on social media? In today's digital world, having social media accounts is a must. Unfortunately, social media marketing can be a huge time suck for business owners and distract them from the core of their business. You can take that burden off some busy entrepreneurs' shoulders and help ensure they are always marketing, promoting, and engaging. If you're savvy with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest, then working as a social media marketer could be a good side hustle for you. And there are a range of social media scheduling tools out there, like Buffer or Hootsuite, that help make this side hustle flexible, as you can schedule posts for your clients at hours that work for you. With this, you can make $15 to $75 an hour. To start off, you need a computer, internet, and a social media tool like Buffer or Hootsuite. You can list your services on Upwork or CloudPeeps to get started, or pitch to your favorite company to see if they can use your skills. 10. Transcriptionist. If you have quick fingers and a good ear, transcription work may be the side hustle for you. Transcription work is the process of listening to audio text and transcribing it to written text. Accuracy and speed are key. Transcriptionists can make money transcribing video or podcast content, business meetings, and more. If you think that's something you can do, give it a try. One positive of this particular gig is that you don't have to be an expert right away, but as you become better at transcribing, you'll be able to make more per hour. As a beginner, you can make $10 to $20 per hour. To start off, you only need a computer, internet, fast typing skills, and headphones. You can list your services on Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or Rev.